Hello, humans, and welcome to DIY Tiff. My name Buddy, and I will be doing the intro today. The humans are redoing my bedroom for me because, let's face it, it's a little out of date, and I want the most up-to-date, beautiful surroundings that match me because I am amazing.
And I just rolled it. And these giant filing cabinets over here. And this giant filing. Oh, why? Okay, I have an extra like.
Why were the boxes in the bathroom?
Because I just took all the before shots and I didn't want the bedroom to look messy.
Tony found a sock. Tony is free.
Are you comfortable? Kitty, are you comfortable? You did an impressive job with those boxes.
I make tower of box. Okay, put this down. Hold on, I'm trying to get the right angle here. That's not easy. All right.
I love filming.
This is my core exercise. All right.
This is my point of view, by the way. I am recording the intro, and this is my point of view. Hi. Oh, you are so friendly. Okay, this one's chocolate, and that one's milkshake. Out of all the name suggestions I got in the comments, I love that one.
There's a hole in the wall. Did you notice that?
Yeah, it'll be fine.
There's a hole in the wall!
The trim will be tall, it'll cover it. Alright, so I want to test something that I have wondered for a while. I want to know, where's my brush? That's not what I want to know, but...
I drew Shrek.
Aww.
The cat's eyes were made too aggressively. And
Just imagine waking up in the middle of the night, just those eyes staring at you.
I like it when you work with me, she said. Things go so much faster when you do, she said.
I don't know about that now.
My reflection looks a little bit like a sleep paralysis demon. For the record, Tiffany steals my stuff so often that I have to put my name on my own knife. And she still steals it, even though it very clearly says Tony's. Shouldn't we put like a drop cloth or something down so you don't get paint on the carpet?
Do you think at this stage we are going to keep this carpet? Have you seen what I've done to this carpet? You want a box? A Lowe's hat.
A Lowe's hat. A Lowe's hat.
Sometimes I wonder why I keep stuff. Like all my iPhone boxes. You know it's okay to get rid of the box, but for some reason I keep them. Are you gonna help me?
Yes. After this chapter.
Deal.
Alright.
Test shot.
Recording.
Pull the carpet. After Tony finished throwing her laugh away. Okay. Okay.
Are you gonna be okay?
Okay. After Tony finished throwing her life away, we stuffed everything into contractor bags.
Stuffed everything into a contractor.
You know, paint's really expensive, right?
I'm worth it.
Oh, I was complaining about the price of paint, but I'm not complaining that I am doing it. I'm just. But you are worth it, baby. You're worth every penny that we put into this room to make you happy. I am actually happy we're getting you a room that you like.
Me too.
Yes.
Even though you're not building a dragon bed.
I'm definitely stepping out of my comfort zone here.
I like being uncomfortable. It's fun.
I will say, if I didn't paint the ceiling in the closet,
oh, I wouldn't be brave enough to do this either.
yeah, like if I didn't see how that looked in person, because you know, you can look at pictures and all that and they all look great, but it's different in your own home. Like, are you gonna like it, are you not? And you know. Okay, we should call this Patreon video yapping while painting the ceiling.
Would you like to know what we were talking about the entire time we were painting?
Like, yeah, we didn't want to torture you with our yapping, so we tortured our Patreon members instead.
Is it safe to paint the whole?
Yeah, I mean, don't go in there, but just, oh yeah, I disturbed the cow. The pig, I didn't do anything to the pig.
Yeah, you didn't do anything to the pig.
And that pig attacked me for no reason. I don't know why I felt like bothering the cow. And then the chickens, I didn't do anything to the chickens, but the chickens give eggs, so I didn't want to, you know, mess with them. This conversation out of context must be so weird. We're actually talking about Resident Evil 4. I was playing a video game and the chickens attacked me, the cow attacked me, a pig attacked me. All right, I'm gonna get this as close as I can here, but I will touch up this. Did you eat paint?
Not on purpose.
Paint is not edible. Banana. 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 Banana.
Chicken banana.
Chicken banana.
Chicken
Banana. Banana. Banana.
Well, while it dries, is it time for a Lowe's trip?
We're going to Lowe's? Oh, for paint. Oh yeah.
I don't know where you think this paint is coming from.
Run. Coming run.
What?
Okay, we have been smelling, but we haven't, I can't talk. We've been smelling paint for way too long. Let's get out of here. All right, let's see if I almost fall on my back. I would have quit. That would have been it. The end of DIY. That was so scary.
That's how we never get anything done.
I know.
You took a long time.
I was gone for a second.
There's still a hole in the wall. You need to fix this miter.
Yes. Stop talking about my miters. People think they're perfect.
Your miters aren't perfect, but your caulking's on point.
They're supposed to be helping me.